In this video, I will show you how to download audio from Facebook Messenger. You need to use the Google Chrome browser to download audio messages through the computer. There is no download option here. Now go to the chat setting. Then click on Open in Messenger. Right-click on the mouse. Then click on Inspect. Find the network column here. Now play your audio message.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
This is your audio message. Now the audio message will be downloaded by double-clicking with the help of computer mouse. This is your downloaded audio message.